Hi, friends. I am hopping on here because I wanted to share that I will be going live every week. I was thinking YouTube, but I'm like, why not all put it on one spot? And Substack seems to be calling my name. So here I am. So every week, I'm going to come on here and I am going to share all things to do with the heart. So, what makes my heart sing? What makes my heart laugh, or even listening to my heart, or even personal stories and shares around love and what that means to me. So I hope to see you on here more, and yeah, should be fun. Lots of love.